mga padaba. How are you? Thanks God it's Friday and we're all excited for our weekend. So ayan, for those people who are curious about the padaba Filipino word, so it's a dialect from my province. So my mom and dad uh, was in Sorsogon, is a Bicol region in Philippines. So Padaba is a dialect, is a Bicol dialect, which means love, or it's like an endearment. Like if you want to call your girlfriend or your wife like sweetheart, darling, or baby. So Padaba is also an endearment. So it means that love, Love. So like for example, I give you a sentence like, my mom always say, "Padaba, hain ka na, makaraon na kita." And that's it. So, for me, I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I'm using my dialect as an endearment. I mean, the dialect from my province, and it's very memorable for me. This word is always my mom call me Padaba. Have a great day, mga padaba.